Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to do intervals on the Strava app. Currently, the native Strava mobile app doesn't have a built-in interval timer, but there is a very simple and effective workaround to track your efforts accurately. Here is the step-by-step method. First, open your Strava app and tap the record button. When you are ready, hit start and begin your first high-intensity interval. Once you complete the interval and begin your rest period, immediately tap the pause button on your screen. By pausing the workout during your recovery time, Strava will stop tracking. This ensures that your overall pace isn't dragged down by your rest periods. If you want to keep strict track of your split times, you can quickly take a screenshot of your stats while the app is paused. When your rest is over and you are ready for the next effort, simply hit resume and start running again. Repeat this pause and resume process for all your intervals. When you are completely finished, hit finish and save your workout. Another great alternative is to create a custom short route or use a specific segment near you. If you run the exact same loop for each interval, Strava will automatically compare your segment times after you upload the run, acting like an automatic lap button. That is the easiest way to manage intervals directly in the app. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.